Hello everyone, wishing you a day full of energy and joy in tending your little garden. For rose lovers, propagating new plants from their favorite variety is always a very special feeling. Cuttings are a simple yet effective method if we understand how to handle the cuttings and create a suitable environment for root development. When a rose cutting is cut from the mother plant, its base needs to be protected from bacteria and stimulated to quickly form new roots. Therefore, utilizing natural materials can greatly support this process. First, prepare a rose cutting that you love. Choose a cutting that is moderately mature, with a strong stem and no signs of pests or diseases. Young, tender cuttings usually root better because they are still actively growing. After choosing a suitable cutting, remove all leaves and thorns from the stem. Removing the leaves helps reduce water loss during the rooting period, thus helping the stem retain the necessary moisture to survive. Next, trim the rose stem to about 15 centimeters. This length helps maintain a balance between the stem and the ability to supply nutrients for root formation. Next, we begin treating the base of the stem with garlic. Take a fresh clove of garlic, peel off the outer layer and cut off one end. Use a small knife to make a hole in the center of the garlic clove, just large enough to fit the diameter of the rose stem. Before inserting the stem, you can gently rub the garlic clove on the cut areas. Then, insert the base of the rose cutting into the hole in the garlic clove and leave it there for about 15 minutes to allow the garlic's essence to gradually penetrate the cut. While waiting, prepare another natural ingredient, orange peel. Take a fresh orange, wash the outside to remove dirt and residue. Then peel and chop the peel into small pieces and put them in a clean plastic cup. Orange peel contains many essential oils and organic compounds that can provide mild antibacterial support, while also creating a relatively stable environment for the cutting. After the rose stem has been treated in the garlic clove for 15 minutes, gently remove the stem. The garlic clove does not need to be discarded. It should be chopped and added to the cup along with the prepared orange peel. Garlic contains natural antibacterial compounds, especially allicin, which can inhibit many types of harmful fungi and bacteria. Next, add about 100 milliliters of clean water to the cup and stir well to dissolve the garlic and orange peel extracts into the solution. Once the solution is ready, place the rose cuttings in this mixture and soak for about 15 minutes. This process helps to further disinfect the base of the cuttings and allow them to absorb more beneficial natural compounds before planting them in the substrate. While waiting for the cuttings to soak, prepare the substrate for rooting. Take a clean plastic cup and fill it with treated river sand. River sand is a very suitable substrate for rooting cuttings because it has high aeration, good drainage, and limits the growth of fungal diseases. When the sand is kept at a moderate moisture level, it creates an ideal environment for new roots to form. After the cuttings have soaked for the required time, remove them from the mixture. Filter the remaining solution to remove the garlic and orange peel residue, collecting only the clear liquid. This solution is then poured into the cup of sand in just enough to moisten the entire substrate. Note that the sand should not be too wet, as this can cause the base of the cutting to rot. Next, insert the rose cutting into the center of the cup of sand, ensuring the base is buried deep and in good contact with the moist sand. After inserting the cutting, wrap the entire cutting and the cup tightly with a clear plastic bag. This bag will help maintain stable humidity, creating a small greenhouse-like environment. Limiting water evaporation and helping the cutting stay fresh throughout the rooting process. Finally, place the cutting cup in a cool, airy place, away from strong winds and especially not in direct sunlight. Gentle light and stable temperature will help the cell division process at the base of the cutting proceed more smoothly. After about 10 days, if you observe carefully, you will see very encouraging changes. From the dormant buds on the stem, lush, plump, and vibrant green shoots begin to appear. Upon examining the base, many small white roots will sprout around it, developing evenly and healthily. This is a sign that the cutting has adapted well to the environment and is beginning a new growth phase. Once the root system is well established, you can gently transfer the plant to a larger part with a loose, porous growing medium such as clean coconut fibre. In the first few days after replanting, maintain moderate moisture levels. Place the plant in a location with gentle light to allow it to gradually adapt to its new environment. Over time, the root system will continue to develop strongly, helping the plant stand upright and begin to form new branches and leaves. The best part of propagating roses lies not only in the final result, but also in the patient care involved. From a tiny cutting, with careful observation and proper care, it can grow into a complete rose bush, ready to bloom with vibrant flowers in your garden. And it is these moments of witnessing life grow day by day that deepen and strengthen our passion for gardening.